I am an architect of days that haven't happened yet. I can't believe a month is all it's been. You know my paper heart, the one I filled with pencil marks. I think I might have gone and inked you in. Little by little, inch by inch, we built a yard with a garden in the middle of it. And it ain't much, but it's a start. You got me swaying right along to the song in your heart. And a face to call home, a face to call home. You got a face to call home. So good you didn't see the nervous wreck I used to be. You'd never know a man could feel so small. And you never look at me like I'm a liability. I bet you think I've never been at all. Little by little, inch by inch, we built a yard with a garden in the middle of it. And it ain't much, but it's a start. You got me swaying right along to the song in your heart. And a face to call home, a face to call home. You got a face to call home, a face to call home, a face to call home. You got a face to call home.
Okay guys, if you like this choreography, you can learn it for yourselves if you'd like, step by step. I'm gonna link it down below for you. Also, this was an example of a custom choreography we created for 2 of our members. If you're interested in having your own custom choreography to any song of your choice, go ahead and check out our packages below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.